I try to get involved in outdoor activity for at least 3 to 4 days per week.
Hi, I'm Ben. I cycle every day.
I usually will take a walk for half an hour around campus in every morning. Walking in the morning will refresh my brain and make me full of vitality.
Maybe I will do jungle trekking because I can see the environment more clearly and it can deliver it to the satisfaction of having reached to the top of the mountain.
Biasanya saya akan jogging dan pergi hiking dan aktiviti seperti ini membuatkan saya lebih berasa tenang.
I usually go diving every 6 months. I can release my stress during diving. Besides, I also explore the beauty of undersea world.
Yes, I find peace because I'm interacting with the Mother Nature.
I find myself very peaceful in the heart of Mother Nature. It gives me the feeling of relaxing.
Yeah, usually interacting with the mother nature let me feel more relaxing because looking at the greeneries all out there.
Yes, that's the reason why I love hiking, because you get to run away from the hustle and bustle of cities. Just enjoy the sounds of nature as if it's speaking to you. Thank you.